वेलकम टू FAQ सीरीज ऑफ लर्निंग सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग। आई एम वैभव, योर गाइड इन लर्निंग सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग। आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, जितने भी मैनुअल टेस्टर्स हमारे पास इंटरव्यूज देने के लिए आते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट द कंसेप्चुअल पार्ट। आज के टाइम पे आई कैन नॉट आस्क यू व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रायोरिटी एंड सिवियरिटी, नेम सम SDLC मॉडल्स, एक्सप्लेन द टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्टिंग, नेम ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्टिंग। Chances are all the candidates know the answers to all these pretty standard questions. It is a task to bifurcate the lot into good candidates and the average ones. So what interviewers are doing nowadays is they are depending upon situational questions, some scenario based questions, just to judge you how do you solve a problem. इसी context में I have two examples for you, two scenario based examples. The first one would be employee management portal. Now इसमें क्या हो रहा है, when employees come into the office at 9 PM in the night and they are working till 6 in the morning. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है, when they log in रात को 9 बजे, they are getting automatically logged out at 12 in the midnight. The logic behind this is वो ऐप में date reset हो जाता है, a new date is starting, so everything is reset. So the employees are getting automatically logged out at 12, but they are still working in the office till 6 in the morning. So how would you judge this scenario? इसमें priority severity आप क्या रखोगे and how would you solve a problem, या फिर do you have a temporary solution in your mind? So this is a scenario for you. Second example for you is movie ticketing portal. Now in this, when you go onto the application to book a movie, when you search for the movie, you cannot see the theater near your home. आपके घर के बाजू वाला जो थिएटर है वहां पे वो मूवी प्रीमियर नहीं हो रहा है, बट जब आप अपने थिएटर का नाम वहां पे सर्च करोगे, when you search for the theater and when you click on the name of the theater, the movie is premiering there. So what is happening? When you search by the name of the movie, theater does not show. And when you search for the theater, the movie is definitely showing there. So this is some error, this is some issue that you should be reporting to the developer. It is an integrational problem. So how would you tackle this? How would you judge this based on priority, severity? Let me know in the comment section. In दोनों भी situations में आप priorities and severities क्या set करोगे? Alright, and a small supporting reason for it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.